Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the job you spent years preparing for no longer exists. Not because of a recession, not because of outsourcing, but because artificial intelligence can now do it faster, cheaper, and better. According to the legendary Silicon Valley investor Bill Gurley, the man who backed companies like Uber and Jello,
We are entering a moment in history that completely reshape careers. The AI revolution is not coming, it's already here.
and his message is simple but urgent: run as fast as you can. Because the AI revolution is not coming, it's already here. Why this AI wave is different? For more than 25 years, Bill Gurley has watched every major technology wave in Silicon Valley. The internet boom, the smartphone revolution, the rise of social media. But according to him, AI is different from all of them. This time, the disruption is not just hitting factories or manual labor, it's hitting white collar jobs, the jobs people once believed were safe. For example, when Jack Dorsey's company Block announced massive layoffs while embracing AI, it sent a shockwave through the tech industry. Many workers suddenly realized something: intelligence alone is no longer enough to protect your job. The biggest mistake people make with their career. Bill Gurley shares a fascinating survey result when people were asked, if you could go back and restart your career, would you choose something different? 6 out of 10 people said yes. That means the majority of people feel they choose the wrong path. Why? Because many career decisions are influenced by external pressure, parents, professors, social expectations. People are told to become doctors, lawyers, and accountants because those jobs seem safe. But Gurley believes this thinking is dangerous because playing it safe might now be the riskiest move of all. Safe jobs are now high risk jobs. For decades, society pushed people towards stability. But in the AI era, stability can become a trap. If you choose a career you don't love, you are less likely to improve. You will stop learning, you will stop experimenting. And when technology changes the industry, you are the first person to fall behind. But people who love their craft behave differently. They learn constantly, they explore new ideas, they push the limits of their field, and that curiosity creates a powerful advantage. How to protect yourself from AI? Bill Gurley's advice is very straightforward. Become the most AI-enabled version of yourself possible. This means understanding how AI tools can be used in your industry, not avoiding them, not fearing them, but mastering them. Because the future belongs to people who use AI like a jetpack. Imagine two farmers. One used a hoe and a donkey, and the other uses tractors, drones, and automation. Who wins? The same logic now applies to knowledge workers. People who use AI will dramatically outperform those who don't. Jobs that AI might replace first. According to Gurley, the first jobs at risk are those centered around language and text processing. For example, translation, legal research, basic document preparation. These tasks are already being automated by large language models. Even programming could change dramatically. But Gurley believes something important will remain valuable: deep expertise and creativity. People who understand system strategy and nuance will still be needed because AI is good at repeating known patterns, but it is not as good at navigating the unknown. The secret advantage humans still have. One of the biggest advantages humans still have is being at the edge of knowledge. AI models are trained on existing information, but breakthroughs happen in real time, in laboratories, in startups, in creative studios. If you're working on the frontier of your field, you are operating ahead of the data AI was trained on, and that gives you a powerful edge. Why curiosity is the most important skill. One of Garlich's biggest career principles is simple: chase your curiosity. Many successful people started their careers as hobbies. Take restaurant Danny Meyer, the founder of Shake Shack. As a young man, he constantly explored restaurants, writing notes about them in journals, but he never thought of it as a career until someone gave him permission to pursue it. That curiosity eventually built a global restaurant empire. How to find the right career path? If you are unsure about your future, Garley suggests a powerful exercise. Ask yourself this question: can I see myself doing this job for the next 30 years? If the answer is no, it might be time to explore other options. Another approach comes from Jeff Bezos, who created the regret minimization framework. He imagined himself at 80 years old asking, which decision would I regret not taking? The question helped him leave a stable job and start Amazon. The power of peer networks. Another key lesson from Garlic is building a peer group. He recommends creating a circle that of 4 to 6 people who are on similar career journeys. This group shares ideas, offers advice, and supports each other through challenges. Interestingly, famous YouTuber Jamie Donaldson, also known as Mr. Beast, used this exact strategy. He formed a group of creators who constantly analyzed YouTube strategy together. That collaboration helped them grow faster than the competition. The biggest opportunity of our time. Despite of all the fears around AI, Gurley believes this moment is actually full of opportunity. Every technological revolution creates new companies, new industries, new careers. The reason investors in Silicon Valley are obsessed with AI right now is simple. They know industry. Whenever a new technology wave appears, massive wealth creation follows, but only for the people who adapt early. So if there is one message from Bill Gurley, it's this: don't freeze, don't panic, and definitely don't ignore AI. Instead, learn it, experiment with it, and use it to simplify your abilities. Because in this new world, AI will not simply replace workers, it will separate those who evolve from those who don't. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more deep insights about technology, AI, and the future of work. And remember, the AI revolution has already started. The only question is, will you run it with it or be left behind?